I've been suffering back issues for almost 10 years, and then had another bout with it, kind of another serious bout 2 years ago, and really been suffering pretty intensely since. Before coming here, I was really limited to 15 to 20 pounds picking up in weight, and so it was a struggle to carry all the groceries in. I certainly couldn't pick up my kids. Physically it's certainly demanding, but emotionally it can be pretty demanding as well. It was a struggle to just perform routine tasks around the house, chores. It was a struggle even sleeping through the night sometimes, just wake up in the middle of the night with pain. Started seeing results within a couple months, maybe even a couple weeks. Just kind of slowly, gradually, over a few weeks, I noticed I could do more and more, and it was just more of a slow sense of, okay, there's, I can get through this. Since then, the last I've been going for about 5 months now, and a pretty remarkable difference. I'm picking up 40 and 50 pounds. I've been able to pick up my youngest daughter, and so pretty significant differences. I'm also sleeping a little bit better, and just in general don't have as much pain around the clock that I used to have. My personality, I'm not one that just, I think I've got to see the facts before I get overly excited. So, and I've been seeing them.